Here I have Nissan Ariya Nismo. Let me show you how to update the software version of the following car, and let me show you how to check if you are using the latest version of your software. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Here you should find and select the settings icon located at the top of the screen. If you tap here settings, you can get access to the following menu. Choose here system update. So now you can check the current version of your software. Let's choose version information and you've got access here to software version. But if you go back, you can choose here the software update. Let's tap software update, and now all you need to do is tap software update one more time, and the Nissan is locating new software. And that's it. The software version is the latest version, so you can tap OK. And now you are sure that you are using the latest version of your software. If there will be any available software update, you will have the information on your screen and you will be able to tap OK and confirm to install the new update. But right now you don't have to do this. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and thanks for watching.